Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you guys for coming back. Today's video, another fun entry. I'm gonna say that in every video, but look at this box, you guys. I know some of you are like, oh my gosh, where's my box? It's coming, you guys. I promise it's coming. This is from Crafty. Let me see, I don't want to show her information, but she's Crafty Claudette. Thank you so much, Claudette, for entering my challenge. Are you guys looking at this box? Look at this. Happy birthday, Lily. So cute. Look at her card. Shaker goodness. You guys see this? It says happy wait, I got it right. It says happy birthday. Look at how cute. I think it opens. Yep, she left me a note in the inside. And oh, thank you so much, Claudette. Look how cute. This is gorgeous. So we're gonna take everything out. Ooh, look at this paper, you guys. Definitely saving that. Oh my gosh. Is this another card? Ooh, she sent me some of that cotton to make some cotton candy. Ooh. I saw a sneak peek also from Claudette's entry on Instagram. She actually did a cute little video showcasing like her packaging it up. But she's a sneaky little one because there's way more stuff than she showed in that video that came into this box. Look at this little bag. How cute is that? Oh, I love these colors. And this I was excited to see. I saw this on her video. Look at this slice of cake little box. Love this. Okay, let's move the box to the side. And look at her goodies. Okay, so in here is her tag flip, which already looks super adorable. Ooh, what is this? There's a cute little baggie here and it says selfie prep kit. That is too cute. I love this bag. Totally saving that. So let me show you guys what you can see. I guess this is like, she made two cards because I think this is her birthday card as well. Is this another card? I want to see this. So pretty. Look at that detail, you guys. I hope the lighting is not distorting her work because that would make me not very happy. All right, we're gonna do this like this with the light like this. Look at that flower. This card is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. So I'm assuming this is just like a little birthday card for me and this is her entry for the challenge. If I am wrong, Claudette, let me know down below. I know you're constantly watching my videos and constantly commenting. I notice you guys. And I try to respond back or at least give you guys a heart in all my comments. And look, she gave me 3 little colors. I don't have the white and I don't have the blue. I do have pink, but I don't think it's this shade. And look at her little cotton candy. How cute. Excuse me, guys. This is gorgeous. Thank you so much for that, Claudette. Oh, let me put the little clip that she put on her card right here, so I don't lose it. And then there's this cute little like acetate box. And it says party. And I think you can open it through here. Let me take a seat. Let's see. Ooh, what's in here? I think these are glue dots. Yep. Little glue dots. Oh, these are her little embellishments. Look how cute. Look at her little embellishments, you guys. And they have these cute little charms. The little stars from All Heart, I think, or the ones from Allie. Oh my gosh. And look at that balloon, you guys. It's like a little pin. These are so cute. Look how big and fluffy her cotton candy is. And there's another little pin back here with a cake and a candle. Can you guys see that? They're gorgeous. Oh, thank you so much, Claudette. I love it. And I love the way you package them. I gotta put them back in here, because I don't want them to get ruined. And right now, my craft room is looking crazy. I'm trying to organize all the packages. Okay. Hopefully I put this the right way. So we're gonna put this to the side. This box is way too cute. Look at that. Way too cute. Let me just lay it this way. And then we're gonna go through this little box, which is a super cute slice of cake. And look at all the detail on this box. She's got pom-pom trim. She's got glittered edges. Aww, this is so cute. I actually think Solange had gifted me one like this for like my birthday a few years back. Look at this. This is too cute. I love it. And I love your box. Oh, this is adorable. It's like a little piñata. Look at the little tail. So cute. So we're going to put that little fella right back in his box. Okay, this goes in here. I love this. I love this box so much. This has to be displayed in my Crafty shelf. I'm adding 2 more shelves, you guys. Because if you guys, oh my gosh, didn't watch my Instagram story, there's a ton of Happy Mail in my craft room that needs to be displayed. So yeah, I'm gonna add 2 more shelves. This little bag is too cute. Selfie prep. Ooh, what's in here? Ooh, she sent me some gumballs. What is this? Look at this bag, you guys. This is adorable, and it's my favorite color. I've never seen this. This is so cute. I love this. This is so cute. And she sent me baby lips. Oh my gosh, I used to collect these. When baby lips first came out, I used to get all the styles that they used to have. I guess this is like the latest one, the crayon. Ooh, toasted taupe. I love me some nudes. Ooh, and she sent me a little tube of star confetti. Look how pretty that is. Can you guys see it? Oh, so pretty. And I love this bag. Thank you so much, Claudette. You're so sweet. I love it. Oh, you guys. You guys. How could you not feel so special with the way you guys are in this community? You guys are amazing. Now we're going to show you her tag flip, which is adorable. Look at her little tassel with all the little curlies. Look at that. It says a birthday on the beads. You guys see that? And here's her first little page. Oh, wait. You got to untie it. I thought the bow was on the top. She has everything nice and packaged so nothing gets ruined. Her cute little first tag. All the detail. There's glitter. Look at the little bow. Look at the candles that she made out of straws. Look at this cake. Beautiful. We have this one that says yay. So cute. She gifted me some jemmies. says hello with a little popsicle. Here's another one of her beautiful little cotton candies. Look at the flowers. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Wishing you a happy birthday. Gifted me some little puffy stickers. She made a cute little shaker. Gorgeous work. You guys see all the talent? Like, how do you not get inspired from watching these videos? Oh, excuse me. Look at this super cute little ice cream patch. This is too cute. Look at this. Let's eat cake. So she gifted me some die cuts. Happy birthday. And another one of her little cotton candies. Look at the layers. Claudette, you did amazing, girly. I love it. Look at this package. Amazing. You guys, I'm going to have her link down below. Definitely go check her out. Go give her a follow. Go subscribe to her channel if she has a YouTube channel. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for entering. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.